Meaning of howdy.
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 Howdy. Howdy is an informal greeting that is commonly used in the southern regions of the United States. It is a shortened form of how do ye, or how do you do, and is often used as a polite way to say hello. The term is derived from the phrase howdy do, which was first recorded in the 1800s. In modern times, howdy has become a friendly and casual greeting that can be used among friends, acquaintances, and strangers alike. Overall, howdy is a light-hearted way to start a conversation or acknowledge someone's presence.